and this is the platform of GAS, a mentor that helps you to find the solution of your problems related to various aspects of your life, like education, knowledge, career, personality, health, and lifestyle.
Hi, I am Balmiki. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the definition of growth rate. In this lecture, we will discuss about the different phases of growth in population of India. There are four distinct phases of growth identified within 1901 to 2011. The period between 1901 to 1921 is referred to as a period of stagnant phase of growth of India's population. Both the birth rate and death rate were high, keeping the rate of increase low. Poor health and medical services, illiteracy of people at large, and inefficient distribution system of food and other basic necessities were largely responsible for a high birth and death rates in this period. The decades 1921 to 1951 are referred to as the period of steady population growth. An overall improvement in health and sanitation throughout the country brought down the mortality rate. At the same time, better transport and communication system improved distribution system. The crude birth rate remained high in this period, leading to higher growth rate than the previous phase. The phase 3, the decades 1951 to 1981 are referred to as the period of population explosion in India, which was caused by a rapid fall in the mortality rate but a high fertility rate of population in the country. The average annual growth rate was as high as 2.2%. After the independence, economy started showing up, ensuring the improvement of living condition of people at large. Consequently, there was a increased international migration, bringing in Bangladesh, Nepalese, and even people from Pakistan contributed to the high growth rate. Phase 4. In the post 1981 till present, the growth rate of population has started slowing down gradually. This was in turn affected by an increase in the mean age at marriage, improved quality of life, particularly education of females in the country. In the next lecture, we will discuss about regional variation in population growth.